it hasn't been written about very much, particularly in Japanese. So the first time it comes into print is in 1992. There was a practitioner called Makoto Yamashita, and he described it as a very rare moxibustion technique. And he said you apply it where there's pain and it improves the circulation of qi and blood. So he wrote a few paragraphs on it in his book. And we don't know how long he was practicing it for before he wrote about it, but it's possible that he was using it as early as the 1960s. In the 20th century, there was a very famous acupuncturist called Isaburo Fukaya, and his son, who's now in his late 80s, is Hideo Shinma. And Shinma Sensei wrote a small pamphlet about Ontake in 2012. I myself had been writing about it since about the same time. And in Spain, there's a moxibustion practitioner called Philip Caude, who had also written about it. And in Australia, Paul Movsesian has been teaching Ontake. But basically, Ontake is the new kid on the block. If you think of the timeline of acupuncture's 2,000 or more than 2,000 years, then Ontake has been around possibly for 50 years. So right at the end of the time span. This means that we don't know that much about it. It means that no research has been done on it. And also it means that there's no orthodoxy attached to it. So we can pretty much invent the way that we use it. So there's no one saying, oh, you must use it in this way, or you must not use it in this way. So we can use our imaginations, and we can start to expand its role and its uses as time goes by.